Hello everyone, welcome to the EO Creations channel. Today we'll be making a mini crochet bag, or you could use as a mini crochet wallet without the chain. We will be using a 5mm crochet hook and an Aran weight yarn. Let's begin the pattern. To begin the pattern, we will first do a slip knot and then do 3 chains. So we'll do 1, 2 and 3. So in the 3rd chain from the hook, you will do a double crochet, and then you'll continue and do 6 double crochet. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we've done 6 double crochet in here. So it's already looking like a semicircle, so we'll continue doing that. So now we'll turn the work around and chain 3. So we've got 3rd chain. Now we will do 2 double crochets in each of the stitches. So that's 1. So I'm going to do the 2nd double crochet in the same stitch as well. So now we'll continue doing 2 double crochet in each of the stitch till we reach the end of the row. So till here. So you continue doing 2 double crochets and then we'll turn the work and do the next row. So I have finished till the end of the row. So now we will again turn 1. And this time we will chain 1 and then do 2 double crochet in the first stitch and then do 1 double crochet in the next stitch. So you'll continue doing that. In the next stitch you'll do 2 double crochets and then 1 double crochet, and then you keep doing till you reach the end of the row. So now I've done end of the row. I'm going to turn my work around and then do a chain 1, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 2 double crochets in the first stitch. So that's 1 and then that's 2, so that's 2 double crochets, and then we will go in the next stitch and do 1 double crochet, and then the next one we'll again do 1 double crochet. So if you can understand, the pattern is like, again we'll do 2 double crochet, that's 2 in the same stitch, and then do 1 double crochet in the next, and then we'll do 1 double crochet in the next stitch. So we just repeat the pattern. So next will be 2 double crochet in the same stitch, 1 double crochet in the next, 1 double crochet in the next, and again 2, and that way you will continue doing it. So we are going to do till 4. This is the 4th row till the end of the row, and then I'll come back and show you the next steps. So now we have done 4 rows of the semicircle. Now we will start the next part of the pattern. So what we will do is we will just go in these stitches and just do a single crochet. So it's simple, just go into all the stitches here and then do a single crochet. So I'll show you once more. So you just go wherever you find a place to put your hook in, just go and do a single crochet. This is just the base we are creating, so you'll just do a single crochet till the end of here, and also make sure you take this loop inside. So now we've done the base of the single crochets like this, and now we will just turn our work around and then do another layer of single crochet. So it's going to be the same. You just now go into each of the single crochet and create another single crochet. So it's very simple. So we'll start with another single crochet all the way till the end. So we did the end of the row of the single crochet. Now I've also started the double crochet. So the next row will be 1 double crochet in each of the single crochets. So you go in and then do just 1 double crochet. So you go in and go to the next stitch and just do double crochet. So you'll finish double crochet till the end of the row. So the pattern is basically we'll do double crochet and then 2 single crochet rows and then again double crochet. So I'll do till the end of the row and show you. So we finished doing the double crochet row. So if you can see, these are the 2 single crochet we did and double crochet. Now we will again do 2 rows of single crochet and then double crochet. So we'll continue the pattern. So just remember double crochet and then 2 rows of single crochet. I'll do till it's around 20 centimeter and come back and show you rest of the pattern. So I've done around 20 centimeters as I told you before. So that's around around 20 centimeters I've done now. So what I will be doing now is basically I will be doing a single crochet on both these sides, and then I will go around all here just to finish it off, and then we will do the clasp and I'll show you. So I'm gonna start from the corner here. So the reason I'm starting from the corner is so that I can go all the way around and I can just do it at once. So I'm just going to secure the yarn, which I've just done. Now I'm just going to go into both of them and then do a layer of single crochets. So just go in and then do a single crochet. So if you can see, I'll clean everything up later on any loose yarns that are showing up now. So yeah, this is very simple. You just go in and then do single crochet. So you'll keep doing single crochet all through around here and then come back and also do till here. So by the time you go from here, you will reach around here with the single crochets, and then I'll come back and show you. So I've done attaching both of the sides. You can see how it's looking. So I'm just going to do a chain and then just cut this end off. So yeah, I'm just going to cut this really short, and then everything I will weave everything in. So this is how this is going to look. So I'm just going to put a clasp here. So this is the clasp that I want to use. So basically, since this is there's a lot of gap here, I just want to make sure that it goes through here. We just have to screw this bit around here. So this is basically how it will look like. So you just, this is very easy. All you need to do is just make sure this end goes here and this end goes there, and then I will obviously, as I showed you, screw this in, and then this is how basically it will look like. So let me finish this clasp and then I'll come back. I've just finished the bag. As you can see, I've attached the clasp. I've also added a gold chain strap. It's completely optional if you want to, or else you can just use like a wallet. I'm quite pleased with it. So hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions.